we're gonna be spawning a bunch of noobs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Who is that? Oh my gosh.
What do you do? Hello, friend. I noticed you were struggling with a package. Would you like some help? Ow! Oops. Sorry, can I start over?
Oh my god, what is happening? We have fidget spinners. Oh my gosh, I gotta run. Oh, I just hit somebody.
My wallet.
Oh, what the heck? Oh my goodness. I'm seeing a bunch of the people hit their wall. Oh, I think I just got hit one. What is happening? Oh, I almost got hit by fidget spinner Roblox. Whoa. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just hit one of me. I mean, Roblox. I'm hitting my face on everything. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to run around the whole map.
Did you hear that, Patrick? He said the P word. No, please.
Ow! What the hell? Get away! Get away, get away, get away. I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Let's see how this goes. What the? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go into a random position where there's no Roblox people. Roblox? There's a bazooka. We'll go here and see what happens. They know where I am. They know where I live. Ah! Ah. What the hell? Help. Are they following me? I think that one's following me. Boing. I bet I'm going through stuff because of how fast I am. Ooh. What the heck is this? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna go forward and not move my screen and see what happens.
I guess I'll just open the checking account.
This must be AI. Just go wherever they want. They just go to it and hit their wall, and then their screen moves there, 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 there. There. Boom. If they get stuck, they move somewhere else.